As the air turns crisp and the leaves start to fall, pumpkin season arrives in full swing. If you love cozy autumn treats but don't want to turn on your oven, you're in luck. Today we're making 7 no-bake pumpkin desserts that are quick, delicious, and ready in under 30 minutes. Let's start with pumpkin spice energy bites. Simple, wholesome, and packed with fall flavor. In a bowl, combine 1 cup of rolled oats, half a cup of pumpkin puree, a quarter cup of almond butter, a quarter cup of maple syrup, and 1 teaspoon of pumpkin spice. Mix until smooth, then roll the mixture into bite-sized balls. Chill them in the fridge for about 10 minutes and they're ready to enjoy. Tip: add chocolate chips or chopped nuts for extra texture. Unique insight: you can swap almond butter for peanut butter or add dried fruit to make them your own. Next up, creamy no-bake pumpkin cheesecake cups, a perfect balance of smooth and crunchy. Start by softening 8 ounces of cream cheese, then blend it with half a cup of pumpkin puree, a quarter cup of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whip 1 cup of heavy cream until stiff peaks form. Fold the whipped cream into your pumpkin mixture. Layer the pumpkin cheesecake cream with crushed graham crackers in small cups. Chill for about 20 minutes before serving. Tip: top with whipped cream and a sprinkle of graham cracker crumbs for a beautiful finish. Unique insight: these are great for parties. Prep ahead, chill, and serve when guests arrive. Looking for something healthy and filling? Try pumpkin pie protein bars, the perfect on-the-go snack. In a mixing bowl, combine 1 cup of rolled oats, half a cup of protein powder, half a cup of pumpkin puree, a quarter cup of honey, and 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. Mix well and press into a lined 8x8-inch pan. Refrigerate for at least 30 minutes before slicing into bars. Tip: drizzle with melted dark chocolate for a treat that's both healthy and indulgent. Unique insight: add nuts or seeds for more crunch and nutrition. Next, let's satisfy that cookie craving. No oven required. These no-bake pumpkin chocolate chip cookies are chewy, soft, and bursting with flavor. In a bowl, mix together 1 cup of pumpkin puree, half a cup of brown sugar, a quarter cup of melted butter. Then stir in 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and half a cup of chocolate chips. Scoop onto a lined tray and chill in the fridge for 15 minutes. Tip: sprinkle sea salt on top for that sweet and salty combo. Unique insight: swap chocolate chips for dried cranberries or nuts for a fall-inspired twist. Light, airy, and elegant, pumpkin mousse parfaits are a crowd favorite. Combine in a bowl 1 cup of pumpkin puree, half a cup of whipped cream, and a quarter cup of sugar. In another bowl, whip 1 cup of heavy cream until stiff peaks form. Fold it gently into your pumpkin mixture. Layer in glasses with crushed graham crackers, then chill for 20 minutes. Tip: add a touch of cinnamon or nutmeg for extra flavor. Unique insight: these parfaits look stunning when served in clear glasses, perfect for guests. Next, a showstopper: the no-bake pumpkin tart. Start by mixing 1 cup of crushed graham crackers and a quarter cup of melted butter. Press the crust into a tart pan. For the filling, blend together 1 cup of pumpkin puree, 1/8 of a cup of cream cheese, a quarter cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Pour the filling into the crust and chill for 1 hour. Top with whipped cream and a sprinkle of nutmeg. Tip: add maple or almond extract for a special twist. Unique insight: perfect make-ahead dessert for fall gatherings. Finally, let's make a nostalgic favorite: pumpkin rice crispy treats. In a saucepan, melt 3 tablespoons of butter with a package of mini marshmallows over low heat. Once melted, remove from heat and stir in 1 cup of pumpkin puree and a dash of pumpkin spice. Fold in 6 cups of Rice Krispies until evenly coated. Press into a greased pan and let cool before slicing. Tip: add sprinkles on top for a festive touch. Unique insight: wrap them individually for cute pumpkin-themed gifts. And there you have it, 7 cozy, no-bake pumpkin treats you can make in under 30 minutes. From creamy cheesecake cups to protein bars and mousse parfaits, there's a treat for everyone to enjoy this fall. So grab your pumpkin puree, skip the oven, and fill your kitchen with the warm, comforting flavors of autumn. Be sure to check out this video for more.